Yes. The chapter 14th chapter of history, the nationalist movement from 1870 to 1947. Exactly, isn't
Yes,
it?
Yes.
ma'am.
And we have
Yes, ma'am.
discussed a lot about it, the Indian national movement, and which was taken initiative by the Indian educated people, and slowly how the common people and the laborers and the farmers, they have joined, and the rebellion occur in many parts of the country. So you can think that these things did not happen all of a sudden, isn't it? It is not all of a sudden that the war of 1857 was started all of a sudden, and the immediate cause of the war was the what was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? Remember?
Ma'am, the caste type that
Ma'am, the Sepoy
ma'am the
revolt. Ma'am,
Sepoy War. Sepoy
Pacify,
War.
ma'am,
the Carthage,
ma'am for
isn't it?
cow
Cartigate.
big. Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
Ma'am, Carthus, yes, ma'am.
So it was that, but the things was burning. It was birthed on that day. The things was burning from very early time. In the same way, in this case also in the nationalist movement, the things was going slowly and slowly, and at the last in 1947 we got the independence. And what are the things were going on? Let's see it. We have seen the Indian national movement was started. Why this movement was started? Because so many people was suffered in the form of different ways. We have already discussed, and we were failure in that, about the farmers, about the laborers, common people, king, and many of them, isn't it? But what happened after this? People came to know that they can struggle for their nation. This thought people got it, isn't it? That they can do struggle for their nation. So this was all about the national movement, and many political associations were also formed to express the problems of Indians. Now they started expressing their problems. Uh, why these children are not there in camera? Shivangi, Manvi, Shraddha, Ashish, Raj, Pooja. Yeah, I will see it. Anurag Roy, Vivek Kumar, Aryan Vatsa, Tanvi, all you are special. I'm counting. This will be the more important attendance that those who are in camera, so that I can understand, no, that you are listening and you are with your books. It shows that you are giving your proper attendance, because I can guess that you're just keeping your online and not listening and doing some other work. I may force you to write down something, and please get ready with your pen and pencil and book also. So many small political association was formed to express the problems. Then now they started saying that, okay, we will not do the war, but try to listen our problems, isn't it? So for this small association was made to solve the problem, but they were restricted to some parts of India, not more. For example, in 1876, Surendranath Banerjee, he established an Indian association in Calcutta. He established an Indian association in Calcutta. And the most important, which we have discussed, was the formation of INC. The formation of
Indian National
I-
Congress, INC.
INC, Indian National Congress.
Indian National Congress, which was initiated by the Indian National Congress was formed in December 1885 by
Alan
Oh,
Octavian Hume.
Ellen Octavian Hume.
Hume.
very nice. He was a retired British official, isn't? He was a retired
Yes, ma'am.
British official. मैंने आपको कल
Official.
कहा था कि आप WC बनर्जी और ह्यूम जी के बारे में पता करने के लिए आपने पता किया था?
Yes.
Do you know something about it? Any one of you?
Ma'am, he was born on 1844 something at Calcutta.
Okay. Banerjee. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
and he was the co-founder and president of Indian National Congress.
Very nice. So what you have seen, this A. Hume have been supported by 72 educated Indian delegates from different regions of our country. And the first meeting was in the Indian National Congress, took place, where it took place? In Bombay,
In
under
Bombay.
the presidency of W.C. Banerjee. Now, gradually what happened, the Congress became the backbone of national movement. हमारे जो भी national movement हो रहे थे उसके सब backbone हो गए हमारे Congress in from 1885 to 1947, and the early phase of Congress was influenced by the leaders who were referred as a moderate, है ना? जितने भी हमारे अर्ली, आपने अर्ली फॉर्म क्यों कहा? क्योंकि 1905 तक हमारे अर्ली फॉर्म ऑफ कांग्रेस थे. 1905 के बाद हमारा कांग्रेस का डिवीजन हो गया. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
तो हाँ, so till 1885 to 1905, the Congress people, the Congress member were known as a moderate, because the moderate had a complete faith in the British. They had a complete faith in the British, and they adopted a moderate way to pursue their goals. If whatever goals they are having, they used to pursue their goals in moderate way. बहुत ही साइलेंट होकर के, प्यार से लिख करके, एप्लीकेशन दे करके, अपील कर करके चीजों को मनवाते थे, डिमांड करते थे, है ना? आपने देखा है क्या? अगर आपके बगल में कोई परेशान कर रहा है आपको, तो आप उनको एप्लीकेशन दे करके, अपील करके, रिक्वेस्ट करके मनवाया हो?
Yes, sir. Request करके.
किया आपने? रिक्वेस्ट करके,
Yes, ma'am.
अपील करके. You have seen, if two parties are quarreling among each other, what is the best way of solution? Coercion or what? In the class 5 or 6 you have studied? Which method you are going to apply? आप कौन सा? अभी यही क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाएगा तो आप बोलोगे सीबीएसई वाले ने बड़ा हार्ड क्वेश्चन किया. कौन सा मेथड करोगे? फ्रेंडली, पीसफुल, है ना? उसको डिस्प्यूट को सॉल्व करने का कौन सा मेथड यूज किया जा सकता है?
Friendly method.
फ्रेंडली भी है, मगर आपने क्लास 5 में 6 में पढ़ा था, उस 4 ऑप्शंस वर देयर. भाईचारा का हमेशा ख्याल रखेंगे, और हम ना चाहते हुए भी उन चीजों को करेंगे ही, और solution करेंगे. तो always the moderate had the complete faith in the British, and they adopted the moderate way to pursue their goal. So what were now, please all of you pay attention, what was the main demands of INC, or you can say what were the main demands of Indian National Congress, isn't it? First, read Sivangi.
First, have representative institutions in the whole country for the welfare of the people. Second, create provincial legislative councils in all provinces. Third, recruit Indians for higher positions in the administration. Fourth, hold civil services examination in India. Fifth, ensure the growth of Indian industries and handicrafts. Sixth, stop the drain of wealth to Britain. Seventh, end the exploitation of Indian resources and people.
Stop. Yeah. See, these are the things that they want to be done by the British. First, they want the representative institution. Have the representative institution in the whole country for the welfare of the people. Means Indian representative in the whole India to solve the problem for the welfare of the people, for the welfare of the people. Next, to create a provincial legislative council in all provinces. Provinces क्षेत्र को बोला जाता है जो आज के डेट में हमारा स्टेट बन गया है. तो डिफरेंट प्रोविंसेस का तो आज के डेट में हमारे पास है लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स है ना.
Yes, sir.
मुख्यमंत्री.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये उस वक्त ही डिमांड किया गया था टू क्रिएट ए प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इन ऑल द प्रोविंसेस. ये क्षेत्र जितने भी क्षेत्र हैं हमारे, बंगाल, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, राजस्थान, हरियाणा, पंजाब, जम्मू कश्मीर, सारे जगह पे हमारे लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स होते हैं. और हमारे हाल में बिहार में भी हुआ था उसका चुनाव. तो इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि इन सब के लिए उन्होंने एक लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स का डिमांड किया था. This was the thing. Third one, to recruit an Indian for a higher position in the administrative. That time the administration was the British administration, and the Indians, INC was demanding for the higher position for the Indians also. वे चाहते थे कि administration में Indians का भी higher position होना चाहिए.
Oh,
ठीक है. Fourth,
yes, sir.
hold civil services exam in India. और उस वक्त civil services जो examinations होते थे उसको इंडिया में conduct करने के लिए बोला गया था. ठीक है ना. आज भी हम लोग कई लोग होते हैं ना कि इट्स वेरी लिटिल बिट नॉट टू से बट आई विल से दैट पीपल आर डिमांडिंग फॉर द IAS एग्जामिनेशन एट द स्टेट लेवल, so that because now the languages is only English and Hindi, and prefer want the local language. If Bengal will having the IAS examination, and then all they will get the many of the people will become IAS. And if the Haryana is having the IAS officers examination separate, means many Haryana people will there. So why only Bihar? Why most of the IAS are coming from Bihar? Whether they are using some other language?
No, ma'am.
No. Then why people are coming from? Means people are asking ki no. Why most of the people are coming from Bihar? As a IAS officer. UPSC
Because they
examination.
want to be IPS officer.
So, and even they are very work hard out for the language purpose. If they are talking about English and Hindi, but people, if they are in Bengal, in Kerala, or in other places, they know their local language very properly, and the next language is English. I said US, isn't it? So this can't be done. So hold of civil services examination in India was the demand. Fifth one is ensure the growth of Indian industries and handicrafts. इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज को बढ़ावा देना और हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स को बढ़ावा देना, ये भी INC का एक डिमांड में था कि हमारे इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज का ग्रोथ होने दीजिए और हमारे हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स का भी ग्रोथ होने दीजिए. Isn't it? You have seen that sometimes the fairs are occur in different part of our states. Like Sonpur Mela is one of the Asia's biggest fair, isn't it? And Pushkar Mela, like.
Yes.
So, do you think that all these foreign goods are sold there? No, handicrafts, cottage industries, है ना? ये सारी चीजें वहां पर मिलती हैं और उनसे ही लोग उनको खरीदने जाते हैं.
कुंभ मेला.
मेला में, हाँ, कुंभ मेला हुआ, पुष्कर मेला हुआ, सोनपुर मेला हुआ. तो ये I think so this time due to COVID-19 and Corona, I don't know whether the Sonpur Mela is going to be there or not. You have to find out it because the time is very near.
No, ma'am.
I think so. No. So ensure the growth of Indian industries and handicraft. Now stop the drain of wealth to Britain. They want now raw material to be sent to the Britain, isn't it? Well, to Britain. They don't want to stop. Next, last one, and the exploitation of Indian resources and people. They also demanded in very moderate way to stop the exploitation of Indian resources and also people. Do you think that this demand can be fulfilled by British government? This moderate way of
no, ma'am.
By appeal and by application? No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
क्योंकि हमें दिख रहा है कि we got the independence in 1947. That's why you are saying no. Isn't it? The struggle was there. So this was the demand. Now, see page number 158. Please see. Let's talk about some of the prominent moderate leader of our Indian INC. He was the Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Please underline, it can be asked that who was the moderate leaders. Underline it. Who are the moderate leaders? Ashish Raj, Prakhar. Prakhar,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
be in camera.
Okay.
Ashish Raj. Oh, you are Ashish Raj. So tell me who are the moderate leaders? I can't, you're not audible.
Ma'am, I am Prakhar.
Say. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naroji, Surendra Nath Banerjee, Firoz Shah Mehta, Mahadev Govind Ranade,
Badruddin Tayyab ji.
Baruddin Tayyabji, Baruddin Tayyabji,
Tayyabji.
like this. So these are the moderate leaders. Now during that period, plague and famine killed thousands of Indians and the economic conditions were miserable. And the young Indians, disgusted by the British cleanses, and were inspired by the common people of Ethiopia, Japan, and Russia, who rose against the oppression. And Arvindo Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal, they are commonly known as Lal Bal Pal. Lal Bal
Yes, ma'am.
Pal. And you must know the
Pal.
full form of Lal Bal Pal. These are the short name of Lala
Of
Lajpat
Lala
Rai,
Lajpat
Lala
Rai,
Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and
Bal
Bipin Chandra
Gangadhar
Pal.
Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal.
So, and you know, they were radicals. लाल बाल परवल रिडिकल्स, एकदम दिमाग में बैठा लो कि ये रिडिकल्स थे. रिडिकल्स मतलब समझते क्या, तुरंत पे इनको रिजल्ट चाहिए था. They don't want to appeal. They don't want to give any application. They want the result.
They don't want to wait.
They don't want to wait. Who said this? Sahil.
No.
Very good. See, you are in camera, then you are becoming so energetic, na? My child. Huh? So, like this. So, what these people have seen, there was a time in India, that time, during that period, what happened? There was a famine, सूखा भी पड़ गया, अकाल भी पड़ गया, इस तरह से प्लेग भी फैल गया था. आप find out the diseases like corona in previous so many years which has been passed. Have you seen any such disease? There were also many such diseases which occurred, and which was also a pandemic time, but it was not huge as corona, isn't it? Plague was there, plague, malaria, dengue, many such things are there, isn't it? Swine flu, yeah. So, but it has not so widespread as corona, which we have seen. It is also one of the pandemic, or you can say. So, people were very annoyed by the British government because there was no help given by the British government. But at the same time, they got inspired by the common people of Ethiopia. You know, Indian militants, and at that time, those who got a job in Indian military, they have joined Indian military, they went to Ethiopia, they went to Japan. From India, they went there to rescue those people, isn't it? So they came to know Japan, Russia. ये हमारे मित्रगण है ना, जब कौन कौन हमारे मित्र
Yes,
राष्ट्र हैं?
ma'am.
रशिया भी है, इथोपिया भी है,
Russia, Japan, USA.
जापान, तब तो हमारे है ना. तो क्यों है, कहीं ना कहीं तो ये भारत के ही जो मिलिटेंट्स थे वहां पर गए थे उस समय रेस्क्यू करने के लिए. तो वहां पर जो स्थिति थी उससे वहां के लोगों ने रिबेलियन कर दिया था, विद्रोह किया था. उन चीजों को सीख करके हम भारतीयों ने भी विद्रोह करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. We also started doing the rebellion, and that too with the leadership of Lal Bal Pal, who were known as a radical. Lal Bal Pal, who was known as a radical, and they did not believe in appeals. They
मैम
believe
बैकग्राउंड
in
वॉइस आ रहा है.
action. हाँ, पता नहीं कैसे कभी कभी आने लगता है. You know, they don't believe in appealing. They don't want to give any application. They want the result. So they believe in actions. What they believe in?
Actions.
Actions.
As I
Protest,
believe in your
like protest.
actions whenever you are in camera. Let me see where are your actions. Prakhar. Ashish Raj. You are doing well. Nice to meet you. Be in camera all the time. Okay. Vivek Kumar. Vivek, Manvi, Shraddha, Tanvi, Vivek, Pooja. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Harshvardhan is not available, I think so. Aditya Harshvardhan. Aditya. Harsh Chandra, sorry. Harsh. Today he
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
available. You are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, who are the radicals? Three leaders of radicals. Lal Bal.
लाला लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक and बिपिन चंद्रपाल.
So, what were their actions? Their actions were in the form of protest, hartals, and slogans. Protest, hartals, and slogan. Have you ever met with this word? What do you mean by protest? What do you mean by protest? What is the word meaning of protest?
मैम विद्रोह.
विरोधी.
विद्रोह करना.
विद्रोह करना, प्रोटेस्ट करना, चीजें गलत जो है उनके प्रति उनको रोकना, हड़ताल करना, स्लोगन देना. So they propagated Indian culture and Hinduism. So first thing was to propagate Indian culture and Hinduism. हिंदुत्व को बढ़ावा देना. बहुत बड़ी बात हो रही है बेटा.
Yes.
Ashish, you have kept a tilak in the morning. You have taken a bath. You have done worship in the morning, isn't it? So you donate that you are putting our culture to put tilak. Huh? So it was the thing that they started doing the propagating the Indian culture and Hinduism. अब आप बहुत नजदीक आ रहे हो, जो आप उनसे इर्द गिर्द आपके पास में, मगर आप उनको पहचान नहीं पा रहे हैं. चीजें आप ही के पास में है और मैं पूछूंगी क्वेश्चन. I'll ask you the question. In between it will come. So how you are going to propagate Hinduism and our culture? How you are going to propagate? So many religious and cultural activities are going on, and all we are participating in it. The biggest source of energy is sun. और हमने रिसेंटली उनकी पूजा की है. छठ में क्या होता है? हम सूर्य की पूजा करते हैं. शायद हिंदू धर्म का ये सबसे बड़ा महापर्व होगा जिसमें हम सूर्य की पूजा करते हैं, उपासना करते हैं. तो इसमें कुछ other religious people, they thought that there is no god, sun. They are worshipping the sun as we are worshipping the moon.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? What they thought? They are worshipping the nature, isn't it? So we are worshipping the nature god in the form, even we are worshipping the moon in some of the festivals. Isn't it?
करवा चौथ.
करवा चौथ.
हम पूर्णिमा, big full moon day, half moon day.
मैम शरद पूर्णिमा.
Many of the such things are there, which is our culture, which is, you can say, in Hinduism or many other religions, all are doing the same thing. Now let's see, the biggest thing came into our way was the partition of Bengal in 1905.
Bengal.
Partition of Bengal
July
in
1905.
1905. Till now, you must be not knowing that why all Pakistan, Bengal was one. And you can say, see the map of India before partition of Bengal and before partition of Pakistan. If anyone want to share the India's map before partition of Bengal and before the partition of India, Pakistan, you can share it in the group. So let's talk about, in order to weaken the national movement, the British attacked the Hindu and Muslim unity. Why this Bengal Vibhajan came? You know, Bengal Vibhajan होने का सबसे बड़ा कारण था कि Britishers thought that why these people are rebelling, why these people are coming as a radical leaders. This is due to the unity of Hindu and Muslim. This is just because of the unity of Hindu and Muslim. So first we have to do, we have to attack the unity of Hindu and Muslim. What British thought? To attack the unity of Hindu and
Muslim.
Hindu and Muslim.
all of you are here?
Yes.
Ashish Raj,
Yes, sir.
don't laugh. It is another thing that you look sweet when you laugh. But I can make you cry also if you laugh more. Aryan Vatsa, Harsh Chandra, I want to hear your voice. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So partition of Bengal was to weaken the national movement, and so British attacked the Hindu-Muslim unity. Now see, underline it, Lord Curzon. Who? Lord Curzon issued an order. Lord Curzon issued an order in July 1905. And let's see what was the order to partition of Bengal. He issued an order. Lord Curzon issued an order in July 1905 for the partition of Bengal through the official reason. And he has given, but the thought was different, to attack on the Hindu-Muslim unity, but he has given some other reason. Because people of Bengal does not want the partition. Bengal के लोग थोड़ी चाहते थे कि उनका बंगाल विभाजन हो. बंगाल के लोग ने कभी नहीं चाहा कि हम उनकी बंगाल विभाजन हो. समझ रहे हैं? बंगाल एक बहुत बड़ा क्षेत्र था, है ना? और उस समय आजादी के भी कई सालों तक हमारा बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा ये एक क्षेत्र माना जाता था, और सारे ऑफिशियल कार्य हमारे बंगाल, कलकत्ता से ही होते थे. बिहार का, उड़ीसा का सारा काम हमारा बंगाल से होता था. बंगाल इतना बड़ा क्षेत्र था, तो बंगाल के लोगों ने कभी नहीं चाहा कि बंगाल विभाजन हो. बट लॉर्ड कर्जन वेरी क्लेवरली ही हैज गिवन ए reason given by the Britishers was that it was difficult to govern and collect the revenue from such a big province. उन्होंने ये रीजन दिया कि बंगाल इतना बड़ा क्षेत्र है कि उससे रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन करने में बहुत दिक्कत आ रहा है. So what was the reason given by the Lord Curzon Sahab?
And that it was difficult to collect revenue from such a big
province. But people know that the Britishers wanted to divide the Indians and rule therefore, isn't it? So Bengal people, they were knowing. Some students are very aggressive, interestingly, they are sending the map of India before partition of Bengal and Pakistan. Hats for them, but please be in the class and listen what I am saying, because we are. So what happened that time? Indian people, they were knowing that the Britishers want to divide the India, and there were the protests against the partition of Bengal. Many people, they protest against the partition of Bengal. The day was observed as a day of mourning. जिस दिन को बंगाल का विभाजन के बात कही गई थी उस दिन काफी हड़तालें हुई, काफी स्लोगन्स हुए, काफी प्रोटेस्ट हुए और द डे वाज नोन एज अ डे ऑफ मॉर्निंग। अंडरलाइन करो, डे ऑफ मॉर्निंग was considered as the day of हाँ, उसको विरोध किया गया था। The Swadeshi means one own country and boycott the national education were adopted as a tools for achieving Swaraj। अब इन्होंने ये एक प्रोटेस्ट किस तरह से किया बंगाल के लोगों ने, टू द स्वदेशी यानी खुद का देश का, स्वदेशी मतलब खुद के देश का, स्वदेशी होना है ना, तो खुद का देश का होना, ऑन ओन्स कंट्री एंड टू बायकॉट द इंग्लिश नेशनल एजुकेशन which was adopted by which was initiated by the British were adopted tool to achieving sir। तो इसके लिए हमने नेशनल एजुकेशन को अडॉप्ट किया कि जो भी एजुकेशन लिया, आप एजुकेशन लेने से what we have, people get free from their mind। How much people get educated, they get free from the mind। That's why I say no, it's not only for marks or Sahil Raja,
Yes, ma'am.
it's not only for the 5 marks, it's to just to liberate your mind। If you know the things, you know the knowledge, you simply get very free from your mind। Don't you think it? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, isn't it? So it's not only to knowing the things and to getting the marks and to pass in class 8, it's just to liberate yourself and to know about the things which has been passed earlier। So national education was adopted as a tool for achieving the Swaraj by the radicals, isn't it? You know, these Lal Bal Pals were also very educated people।
Yes, ma'am.
They were educated
Indians।
Yeah, so Indian boycotted the foreign goods and used only Indian goods। इन्होंने सबसे पहले इन्होंने लाल बाल पाल ने, रेडिकल्स लोगों ने ये कहा, खाली लाल बाल पाल ही नहीं, बहुत जितने भी हमारे नेशनल एजुकेटेड लोग थे जो उन्होंने एजुकेशन लिया था ब्रिटिश सरकार के अंतर्गत, उन सभी ने लोगों को ये कहा कि बायकॉट द फॉरेन गुड्स, जितने भी विदेशी चीजें हैं उनका बायकॉट करना है। कपड़े हो, सामान हो, खाने पीने की चीजों, फैक्ट्री से बने हुए चीजों, किसी चीजों को खरीदना नहीं, ना बेचना, ना खरीदना, ना यूज करना। Is it possible today? Still we are many of the things
dependent on others।
many of the things which we are buying and it's
लॉकडाउन के
MNCs are
बाद भी
there।
हुआ था बॉयकॉट करने का चाइनीज सामान को, लेकिन नहीं हो पाया कंप्लीट।
But we have to, isn't it? We have to। So these were the things। You'll see foreign goods was boycott।